from the spark plug. The fuse supply is turned off, and I'm using a 14mm socket wrench to remove the two outer bolts here. Wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, as you have a tendency sometimes to, when you put them back, to over tighten. At least I do, and I've had my trouble with these situations trying to take out these bolts. Here was fairly easy. And I'm going to do some cleaning here under the deck here once this comes off, and keep track of the orientation so you know how to put them back once you sharpen them or clean them, whatever you're going to do with them. I use my drill and a wire brush to kind of loosen up some of that stuff, and use a little WD-40 to get any rust and stuff out. Here's the drill with the wire brush here. Just loosen this up. Then I put in the WD-40 and get a rag and clean it. Same sort of thing to the two Mower blades. So they're about ready to get sharpened here once we dry them up and clean them up. I got a clamp here. This is not my favorite method to sharpen these. I usually like to use a file where I can take my time and not take too much of the metal off, but it does take a little longer to use the file. I did use it to deburr some of the metal. The side. The file here. Here, using the file to deburr the other side just a little bit. And this is one way that I test the balance. Got a screw or a nail on the fence here, and it looks to be pretty balanced. Or close enough anyway for me. And then go to the second blade, do the same thing. I'm not that steady, so that's why I don't like to use this. Sometimes I go overboard with the taking too much metal off. A little bit of the file here. This side just a little bit to deburr it. Of course, you can use the angle grinder, but I think you take too much off. So I'd prefer to do the deburring with the file. A quick deburr here. And against the balance test here. Looks to be good. And I also use on occasion to double check. Use this cone that I use with another method when I use the drill with some sharpening stones. This was a little bit off, so I did go back and take a little bit more of the metal on the right side here because it was leaning a little bit to this side. So I did go back before I put it on. And then here I'm just using this silicone grease to put on the threads of the two bolts, just in case they get rusty or stuck. This will help when I start taking them off. You put them back the way they went and tighten. And I just play it by ear. I know some people use a torque wrench, recommended, to make sure you don't over tighten the bolts. But I've never used a torque wrench. I might get one just to try it out, but right now I just go play it by ear. Then I'm just going to turn it over and get it started just to give it a test. Make sure that the blades don't fall off once I get it started. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.